Good afternoon. What a beautiful summer's day it is. We've just had a delivery of hardwood in, a fresh stock of hardwood in that we use to make our garage doors and gates. Let me show you in the workshop. All the timber that we use comes in sawn lengths of timber, like this. All rough sawn. Everything we do here is made from scratch. It's all machined up, all made to measure and made to order. Here's a softwood door that we've made. Softwood has a few knots. Some could say it adds a bit of character. Obviously a softwood is a cheaper alternative to hardwood. There's our rack of hardwood. Nice big fresh stock of hardwood. That's all the tongue and groove boards that we use. The hardwoods we use are Iroko. This is Iroko. There's a variation in the colour, some dark bits and some lighter bits. If it's totally left, it contains its own natural oils and will eventually go like a silver colour, like garden furniture. We also make in sapele, which is a more reddish sort of colour. I'll show you a sapele door in a minute. They're both perfect hardwoods to use, very, very durable and will last years and years. If I just take you over here, just show you, here's a sapele door that we've just finished. As you can see, they're all made top quality, mortise and tenons all the way through, sanded lovely and smooth. Here's a softwood door that we've stained in a dark brown. You still see the knots, but it's a beautiful rich colour that we use on there. So please do contact us, make an inquiry. Everything's made to order and everything's made to measure. We've got a great team of young lads here that are very proud of their work. They're highly skilled craftsmen, and they'll really enhance your home and add great curb appeal. So please contact us. Thank you very much. Unfortunately, we weren't so lucky with the weather when we fitted these doors last week. Hello. Believe it or not, it's the end of July and it's absolutely pouring it down with rain here today. But we're not letting the weather dampen our spirits. We're fitting these beautiful Iroko bifold garage doors. They're all made to measure and there's various different styles on our website. Have a look at www.woodengatemakers.co.uk. Come and have a look at the doors. The next set of doors were made from Iroko hardwood using a tomafold sliding door system which runs along a threshold across the bottom of the frame. A perfect solution for very wide spans where the weight of the doors is supported from above. Hello, come and have a look at these made to measure doors, all made to any size in our workshop in Dorset. These doors feature the new tomafold sliding door system. They can be made to any measurement you like, width and height, made in beautiful hardwoods such as Iroko and sapele. You can see they slide very smooth on this track system. You can also have doors with glass or glazing above.